After decades of loyal service, this rusty 1970s scooter was searching for a resting place. Perhaps a quiet barn corner or an abandoned garage where it would live out the rest of its final days before quietly ending up in a scrapyard. But fate had other ideas. Instead of disappearing into history, this icon ended up at the My Mechanics workshop. For many years, this place has been an auto sanctuary where wrecked machines are repaired and revived. But will that be the case with this scooter? Right off the bat, the restorer was keen to understand how this cute little two-wheeler ended up in such a bad state. He leaned closer, observing every inch of the bike, and what he found was heartbreaking. I'm talking about seized parts, a rusted frame, and several other flaws confirming that this bad boy has been neglected for a long time. But not anymore, because over the next few minutes, this skilled restorer from My Mechanic will attempt to restore. Things kicked off nice and easy as the restorer ripped off the front wheel and fender, before moving on quickly to other sections. With the components now fully disassembled, the first part of this restoration was effectively done and dusted. But there was no time to rest because the real task was just about to begin. For this phase, the first victim of the restorer's transformative skills was the old and faded paint. Equipped with a paint stripper and hard brush, he scrubbed away decades of grime until the metal underneath finally started to breathe again. Once that was done, he tossed the cleaned parts into this machine for some good old sandblasting action. Next up, it was time for some basic modifications and prep work for the paint job. With the priming now done, it was time to add some color to this restoration. From there, he turned his attention to the wheels, and what followed next was pure magic. Here's what the wheels look like after that intense, deep wash session. Of course, they looked way better than those sad and sorry wheels we saw earlier. But the rims were dented by casting marks, and that didn't sit well with the restorer. He wanted the wheels to be flawless, and anything other than that was unacceptable. After 2 attempts, this skilled craftsman finally got what he wanted. 2 spotless wheels, smooth as glass and free of imperfections. But just when he thought the difficult part was over, he discovered that the tires were worn and cracked, which ultimately means they could not be reused. While most restorers would have sourced for used tires, this craftsman set out to create new wheels. Next, he put the wheels in a pressure pot and left it to cure overnight. And while that was going on, he decided to restore the bolts and nuts. Yes, you heard that right. This man is so passionate about his job, he's out there doing makeovers for screws. Next, he grabbed all those shiny bolts and dipped them into a nickel solution to keep rust far away. And by the time they came out, they were glowing like jewelry. Elsewhere, the tires were now fully cooked and ready to be mounted on the rims. Right now, it feels awkward to even call this man a restorer, because at different times in this restoration, he's looked like a magician. I mean, he's nailed every task before him with ease, while offering us premium entertainment. And you cannot help but admire his dedication and passion to the project. The job, however, wasn't done just yet. This is actually becoming outrageous. I still haven't gotten over the fact that he made the tires, and this restorer is casually making handles right from his local workshop. It's unbelievable. We are now at the critical point of this restoration. All individual components have been restored, and the only thing left was to piece them together and officially unveil the restored scooter. But before then, let's do some quick study on the history of scooters. Like most great inventions, the story of the scooter's origin is wrapped in mystery and a bit of drama. While some claim it was invented by Carl von Drais de Sauerbrunn in 1817, others say it was the handiwork of a European child, a creative mind who dared to craft a transportation device from nothing but two wheels and a piece of plank. But it doesn't really matter who invented it. What matters is what the scooter became, a timeless symbol of fun, freedom, and childhood joy. From kids racing down driveways to adults cruising through city streets, scooters have brought smiles to countless generations. And with new upgrades popping up every year, they're not going anywhere anytime soon. And that's why this restoration means so much. It's not just another cool YouTube project, it's a piece of history being brought back to life. Back at the workshop, there was really nothing left to do except to piece the restored components together. And that's exactly what the restorer did. You know that feeling when you've been grinding for hours, and you can finally tell the finish line's in sight? That's exactly where we are. After all the rust removal, sanding, painting, and polishing, it's finally time for the big reveal. For the second time in this restoration, this 1970s scooter made its grand entry into the workshop, but this time, it was a completely different machine, polished to perfection and primed for another lifetime of action. What's your favorite part of this restoration? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the channel for other exciting restorations like this one.